In today's video, we'll see how to create own chat GPT using Visual Studio for V, and later you can publish it. Now, let's get started. The first, we'll open the Visual Studio and create a folder, which we'll click on Open Folder. We can give any name. I prefer to give GPT AI as I'm creating my own chat GPT, and we'll select the folder. After selecting the folder, it will prompt a new page. Now, you need to grant permission and authorize. You should give your prompt what you wanted to build. So I'm giving a command stating that create ChatGPT. Let's see, it should be a create ChatGPT. It should be configuration, style, page, Unix, everything should be the same as the GPT, ChatGPT, and the name should be a GPT AI. So once you run this command, it will take a couple of seconds or minutes, so we can say it. For me, it took me like a couple of minutes to create an complete languages, programming languages, which I have been observed, a JSON format and everything, the links configuration, which has to be done. So now let's enter the command prompt and wait for it. It's quite simple and easy. You don't need to have any coding language knowledge, and you don't need to be any perfect. You can ask anything if you have any doubt, if you're getting any error message. Also, if you're unable to do certain tasks, you can just ask them with your own language, and he will be able to let you know what needs to be done. In 2026, we've seen a ChatGPT and AI has been built a very hype, and it's very much useful. Also, it's making the day-to-day life easy to run to creators and everything. So now you can see it started creating. Meanwhile, I will show you also the demo. And ChatGPT, you can also, like, I have given my own prompt. If you don't think it's not a good enough, you can just go in ChatGPT and ask him to give a better prompt for your command which you have given. So let me show you how it works. So you need to give me a better prompt, the command which I have given. You can enter it. After entering it, it will give a better prompt. You can see it just took in milliseconds to give you the answer. So you can copy this. You can see the interface should be closely resemble ChatGPT clean UI and use large language of OpenAI and everything using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. These are all the detail he has given. You can just copy and paste it. Okay. And once you copy it and you can hit the prompt in the Visual Studio, it should start working. So I'm not going with that. I have created, given my own prompt. You need to just allow the sections by look here on the left hand side. You can see all the packages and everything has been installed. So that's how it works. Just wanted to show you in a previous video, we have created our own extension also. So before that, you can see the packages, readme, everything. I'm not sure what all these packages, Jason. I'm not good at the languages, programming languages. See, it has been already created everything. It has shows if you wanted to add something else, what kind of behavior you look forward, and how you can copy this command, to copy this website URL, and paste in a browser. You can see it should be not working because you have certain steps that needs to be done. You need to install Node.js and run no npm install and get on a private key for OpenAI so that it can be a configure. So it's it's just something that if you search for something, you need to get the results. For that, there is already an open versions of it where you can just get it for the free by OpenAI or Olama, where Olama is completely free. We can just attach it. It will run in a desktop version without any requirements of payments, and you can ask for the n number of times for this. So it asked me for the, do you need any customization? I said, yes, I do it. Let's see what it makes. Meanwhile, we will run this commands and follow the steps so that it should be a working. Okay. So you can see it started working on it. Now it's taking almost a minute or 2 minutes, I can say. Meanwhile, we will open a new tab now and go to the browser tab. Let's see, it's running npm install. It gives an so it shows that we did not have install npm install. So in order to do that, let's wait what it says and then we'll proceed further. You can see how it started working on it. Okay, run. It's asking us to run and install. So it ensures the Node.js to be installed. So then after that, we need to run this. We will open a browser tab and search for node.js download. So you can download Node.js. You click on download. As it's for the Windows, it has been already been selected. Well, click on Windows installer. It will start on it. It will, for me, it took me like, as you can see, just a couple of seconds to get it installed. It depends upon your internet speed also, how fast it works. So once it's installed, let's see. Let's see. Once it's installed completely, and I will like to give a background changes. Also, I prefer to have a background with a dark blue and white theme, so that I can customize it whenever I feel it needs to be changed. So let me give a prompt for that. You can make it n number of times. It just depends upon your prompt, what prompt and what are the style or looks you're looking forward. Once it's done, and you should be a good to go. Okay. So as it's called install, we can open the file. It's installing. I'll click on next. We'll authorize the permissions. I prefer to go within a D drive as I have a low speed storage. Sorry. So we'll change the path also to a D drive. So as everything is working on a D drive, so that it can be deleted later if it's not required. We'll go install. Okay, once it's installed, you can search in a search bar in Windows next to the search icon as a Node.js, and we'll click on open. You can see as a command prompt. And for me, the Node.js was not working properly, but even though I have just tried working on it by using the npm install, the command which he asked for, I ran that command, but it seems like I was getting an error message. So I tried again within a different command. No, it did not work. So I just copied that to check if it will be what's the issue was going on. So you can just copy it and paste it. You can do it from your end also. And that's how. For right now, I prefer to go with my command prompt PowerShell as a admin. So that is a better way. I prefer it. It's giving a huge things to do me, to follow the steps as I'm already aware how to do it. So I will go within a command prompt PowerShell. So now we will open the PowerShell from this. Okay, once it's done. So we'll copy this node v and npm v. Yeah. Okay, it seems like it's installing. Yeah, it has been done. So now we will proceed further, asking that yes, I have run the commands for node v and npm v. What should the next step I should take? You can see as we have given a prompt. Let's see. Okay. Now it is asking us to download npm install. We'll copy it and we'll paste in a PowerShell. Let's see if it works here. Before that, notice no, it gives error. So let's go back to PowerShell. Well, install npm install. So I'll click on Node.js and run npm run deps and PowerShell. So we'll copy it and then we'll open the PowerShell. Looks like we got again the error message. Let me first copy this. We have to fix this. So we'll copy it. Not sure what exactly this error message means. So let's copy and just paste it. So we'll paste it and let's see what it gives. Okay, it's asking us to change the directory. We'll change the directory. We'll copy this directory, GPT AI. So as everything I have saved in a D drive, so though we have to make a changes. Okay, so let's make a changes, and now we will run npm install. Okay, it seems like it started installing. Okay, it gives you okay. It shows that it has been run. Okay, let's minimize this. Go back. npm has been installed. Now let's go and see if it's has been installed. Okay, it has been already been installed. So now it shows 3 high server vulnerabilities. Okay, we'll run dubs. As the vulnerability means like there is something that is pointing to hack it. So you know everyone about the cybersecurity terms vulnerability means. It gives OpenAI key is not set, and there is an error message because it's crashing for waiting for the file changes before starting. So as I told you, though, you should have a API key to set your the file environment variable, which you can do it from our system variables, which I won't be able to show you on this video as it's in a private. And then you can go with Olama. That's free. You can download it and just attach it. It should be attached automatically. Just inform the ChatGPT that you have already installed the Olama. Olama is completely free. You don't need to pay anything. When it comes to the OpenAI, you need to pay. After the free trial, you need to pay the certain amount. You can visit the website and cross check what it's asking for and proceed further. So as I don't want you to use this chat GPT for the long time, just we need to let's open this now. Open the website URL. Let's see. You can see it's asking for the OpenAI key, or else which is if I use it, it's ask for the payment, which I don't want it to go further. It's for the you can for the free one you can go for Olama and proceed further. It should be working for you. If you have any doubt. If you need a complete video on setting the Olama by using a free version, just let us know within our comment box. We will be able to create a video on it and publish it. Do like, share, and subscribe for the video. And I hope that it was a useful how to use the ChatGPT and Visual Studio in order to create any website or